good evening, and we are from Pilar. These are brothers from the Pilar Mission Seminary, and these are our friends who have accompanied us, Fabiola, Trisel and Freddie, and we're grateful to them. And first of all, it's an opportunity, privilege to sing at the choir for the Mass, and really this is an occasion where we really experience God's presence, the vibes, spiritual vibes that are present at this place. And we led the choir to help the people, the gathering here, also to be filled, to experience these vibes, spiritual vibes, and be filled with that the spirit of Francis Xavier. Francis Xavier is our patron. Our society, although popularly called Society of Pilar, its actual name is the Missionaries, the Society of the Missionaries of Saint Francis Xavier. And we are happy to be here to sing for the choir, and also renew this missionary zeal by coming here, the zeal that Francis Xavier had, and be renewed with his spirit. Thank you.